Hello everyone! Sarcasm here, and it's time for another Japan Crate unboxing. Yes, I realize that this is coming out shortly after I did the last unboxing, but yeah, I procrastinated a bit and took a while, and yeah, I still have most of the July box to finish off, so yeah, it might be a while till I get to these. And heck, like, by the time this video even gets uploaded, it'll probably be October. But yeah, let's get this open with our handy dandy half a pair of scissors. And, okay, what? Got the guidebook to figure out what everything is. Okay, let's. First off, Wonder? Doraemon Gum. Okay, so another tie-in product. Salt Watermelon Puku Puku Tai. The Watermelon Taiyaki snack. Nice. Always up for that. Golden Pineapple Fettuccine Gummy. Okay, pineapple. I already know I'm gonna like that one. Oh, this is the bonus item. Oh darn, no Kit Kats. Anyway, the special premium bonus item for this month: White Soda Polar Bear Happiness Gummy. Okay, little disappointed, but you know, can't win them all. Then, whoa, stop that. Cool Cider Mochi. Cool. Watermelon Seed Ramune. Alright. Premium Puzzle and Dragons Bisque Umaibo. So, a mobile game tie-in. We got our drink for this month: Rich Ice Vanilla. Okay. A lot better than last time with the coffee. That's not. Where is this? Uh. Let me double check. That's what that one is. I apologize, this doesn't seem to be on the list. It's a, it just says mini bottle. I have no clue, honestly. Oh. Found it. The one here is blue, the one in the picture is yellow. Yeah, it's just called mini bottle. Simple enough. Next up, Watermelon and Melon Burr Gummy. Okay. That's nice. I like watermelon. Then Very Sour Mucho Super Plum Flavor chips. So, sour plum chips. Well, that'll be interesting. Next up, Vending machine cola DIY. So another DIY snack. Be careful sour soda. So sour snack. Cola ball. Okay. Oh. Ow, ow. Who is this mince? I want to say... whatever. Okay, last few items. Yellow watermelon gum. I like watermelon, so that's alright with me. Cider ball ramune. And finally, apricot and chocolate noir soft cookies. So, apricot. That'll be interesting. I probably won't get around to eating these till next month. I mean, I try to record like 3 snack reacts a day. So hopefully I'll get to it soon, but yeah, again, maybe a while. So yeah, looks like a good box, and yeah, apparently next month's box is the special Japan Crate 6th anniversary box, so I might actually win a prize. Who knows? So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time with another snack react. Till then, bye.